hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will going to talk about why your automation script is failing. So there are many reasons of that. So if your automation script is failing again and again, or maybe script is breaking, unstable, you feel like your automation is not working. So let me tell you one thing first of all. The problem might not be your code, it might be the test cases you choose for automation. So today we will going to discuss about those things, those mistakes as a beginners, what the possible ways we, did the mistakes. So we will going to talk about that. So first is your automation unstable feature. It means that you are trying to automate the features which are unstable. If the feature is still changing again and again, your automation script will also break again and again for sure. No matter how good you write your script, but obviously the feature is not stable, so your automation script will going to fail. Second mistakes as a beginners people are doing, like they're trying to automate UI based things. Now what is this UI based thing? So understand this, like if you are automating things like color, layout or design, even a small UI change will break your test cases or your test script. So that is, if you're trying to automate UI based things, so that it can be one of the reason to fail your automation script. Now if you're the other mistakes as a beginners people are doing, like or automation testers are doing, like they're trying to automate one time scenario. Now let's understand this, what is the one time scenario. So if a test case is only used once, automation is just a waste of time for that scenario. You will spend more time to writing the script than actual testing. You can do it by manually also because it is a one time testing required. Now other mistakes, as a beginner automation tester is doing is like ignoring the test stability. This is really very important. If your test data is not stable or your environment keeps changing, your automation will randomly fail. So you have to keep this thing in mind. Now the other mistakes is like no proper strategy. So if you don't have a clear plan of what to automate and what not to automate, you will end up with flaky test and frustration. So you have to identify among, for example, you have 10 of the scenarios which you have to automate. So among 10 scenarios, you have to identify which you gonna automate and which you are keeping aside for only manual or not for the automation. So that is a strategy you have to plan, very important. So we will going to talk about the solution also. So how we can fix this, right? So always choose test case that are repeatable, first of all, stable and important. Okay. Start with the things like login, regression, test, and core workflows of your application. So this really, increase the not increase, reduce the cause of failure of your automation script. Now automation is not about automating everything, you have to keep in mind it's about automating the right things, right? So this thing you always have to keep in mind, that what you are automating. So next time your automation fails, don't just blame that your tool or code having some issues. Check your test cases and what the selection you have done for your automation script. So if this made sense, follow for more simple and practical automation testing tips. Thank you for watching.